Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you an amazing collection of Crochet Baby frocks. Many of the tutorial videos of Crochet Baby frocks are already available on my channel. I also upload crochet tutorial videos on my channel other than these kinds of ideas videos, and links of those tutorial videos will be available in the description box of this video. So you can check out the description box for different crochet baby dresses and baby frocks tutorial videos available on my channel as well. And you can just let me know in the comments as well if you are interested in seeing any specific crochet baby dress tutorial video which is currently not available on my channel. I will make it for you because many of the dresses with similar techniques are added in this video. I uploaded videos of such designs on my channel previously, and some of the designs I haven't uploaded, and if you are interested in seeing them, do let me know and I will make tutorial videos on other crochet baby dresses as well. So you can see all of these designs are very unique and attractive, having different crochet flower work, different embellishments are added on them. You will see different kinds of crochet border edge patterns on these designs, and you will see different lace borders attached on them, fabric patches and embroidery patches, and other different kinds of fabrics which are attached in the bottom part of frock as border, which is also giving very attractive and gorgeous look, especially the baby dresses which are having very attractive and beautiful silk bow work on them are giving more attraction due to their beautiful baby prints and attractive flower work. So all of these designs are unique, and I hope you're gonna love them all, especially their color schemes as well, because all of these designs are having extremely unique and gorgeous color schemes for baby dresses, as you can see, and you will find huge collections of ideas videos of different baby dresses available on my channel and their color schemes too. So if you know crochet work, you can easily make them with the help of picture. However, if you don't know crochet work or you are a beginner and you cannot follow the pattern from a picture, you can just visit my channel and get tutorial videos of these kinds of frocks as well, and you can make baby dress according to your requirement in any specific color scheme and in any size as well. So that's up to you. You can see all of these frocks which I have included in this video are having flare of almost 270, and you will see some 360 flare designs as well. So hope you guys like it. Thank you.